It is no secret that fresh green beans make the most delicious side dishes that you can make in minutes. In this video, I will show you how to boil and blanch green beans to use in recipes or freeze them for later. Whether you're growing your own beans in your backyard or prefer buying them from the store, using this simple method, you can create countless recipes throughout the year at a moment's notice. Start by filling a large pot with cold tap water. Add in a few tablespoons of kosher salt. It might come as a surprise, but you want your water to taste like seawater. Similar to cooking pasta, taking this extra step will season your green beans perfectly after they're boiled and blanched. Put the lid on and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, give the beans a quick rinse under cold running water. When I'm shopping for green beans, if I can, I pick them one by one and select the ones with good, bright green color and firm texture. An easy way to test for freshness is to snap a loose bean in half. Good ones should break rather than bend. While you can trim them one by one, I prefer lining up a bunch of them at the same time and removing the stem with a quick single cut. In terms of the size, depending on your recipe, you can boil them as a whole or cut them in half. Next, fill up a bowl with cold water and some ice and set that aside. Once the water comes to a rolling boil, carefully place the green beans into the pot. Let them cook for 5 minutes or until they're crisp and tender. Before getting them out of the water, give one a quick taste to check and make sure it is cooked to your liking. Using a spider strainer or a slotted spoon, carefully remove the green beans from the pot and transfer them into the ice bath. Doing so will stop the cooking and keep them nicely crisp and fresh with a vibrant green color. Let them sit in the ice bath for 5 minutes or until they're fully cooled. Meanwhile, line a sheet pan with a clean kitchen towel or a few sheets of paper towels. Drain the green beans and then transfer them onto the sheet pan to dry them off. At this point, if you're not planning to use them right away, you can place them in a freezer bag, get the air out as much as possible, and store them in the freezer. Or you can do what I'm about to do and use it in a recipe right away. One of my favorite green bean side dishes is this butter garlic green beans recipe. It's great to serve along with any of your favorite meals, and it takes just about 5 minutes once the beans are blanched. To start, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. While that is melting, peel and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Add that into the skillet and cook for 30 seconds. Stir in the green beans and cook, turning often until they are fully coated with melted butter. I use kitchen tongs as they help me turn the beans gently without breaking them. Season with salt and pepper, and if preferred, sprinkle it with a little bit of lemon zest. Just like that, you have a perfect side dish that you can serve with any of your favorite meat, chicken, and vegetarian dishes. The link for the full printable recipe is below. If you make it, be sure to tag me on Instagram so that I can see your creations. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to my channel for weekly healthy recipe videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.